Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get $895 free multi-cloud network associate certification 2025, and this is for limited period offer. So SE multi-cloud network associate course is there. So the SE multi-cloud network associate training is the started point for your multi-cloud networking and security education. So learn the fundamentals and unlock a world possibility in the world in the cloud networking industry. So this is provided by the Aviatrix, and this is the registration link. I'll go through that. So this is a ACE Multi-Cloud Networking Associate course, and this is a purchase is $895, and we'll go through the about the course. So this is about the course, and all the things are there. And for a limited time, this training is free. So $895 USD value, and with the code ACE Multi-Cloud include final exam. So it will include, and this is the curriculum, and you go through that. In last you will get the final certification exam instructions on the taking the certification exam, launch the exam. So everything is there, so you can go through the step by step process. Now I am going through the purchase now, so just click here. So this is sign in. Already we have a register. Then you go through the sign in. Otherwise, go to the sign up. So put the name, email address, password, company name. Put your company name, and if available, please provide your the current business email address or type NA. So I'm going to put NA. Job title. Put your job title, whatever your job title. What is the best? Describe your. This is for the uh, operations cloud, and country India. So I am new for this, and experience on the cloud networking, entry level. So click on sign up. So you have to review your order. So quantity 1 and price is $895. The code is ACE Multicloud. Okay, applied. So you can check with the uh, this link. In the last, you can see your code will be the SEA Multicloud. So using this code, you can get the $895 discount, and just click on purchase. So now your order ID is this. You will get a mail regarding this. So SE Multi-Cloud Networking Associate course 0 by 22 lesson is completed. Up, you can go one by one, and last you will get the lunch the exam. So this is the process. So you will get a multi-cloud network associate course. So in this video we'll learn how to get $895 multi-cloud network associate certification course, that is a 2025, and this is a link. So for any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Follow the process shown in the video. Please subscribe for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.